I recently found this large capacity folding travel bag, and it honestly surprised me with how practical it is for travel. At first glance, it looks like a small, compact pouch, but once you open it up, it transforms into a full-size travel bag with a lot of space inside. What makes it really useful is its versatility. You can carry it by hand, wear it on your shoulder, or even attach it to your suitcase using the built-in opening design. It adapts easily depending on how you travel, which makes it super convenient for both short trips and longer journeys. The inside space is designed with multiple pockets, which helps keep everything organized instead of throwing all your items into one big compartment. You can separate clothes, accessories, and personal items easily. There is also a wet and dry separation section, which is really helpful for storing sweaty clothes, towels, or anything you don't want mixing with clean items. In terms of material, it's made from lightweight Oxford fabric that is both waterproof and tear-resistant. It feels strong and durable, so it can handle a lot of weight without any issues. Even though it's tough, the bag itself stays very light, which makes it comfortable to carry. One of the best features is how easily it folds back down. When it's not in use, you can compress it into a very small size, so it doesn't take up space in your luggage. You can even keep it as an extra emergency bag for shopping or unexpected items during travel. Overall, it's a simple but very smart travel solution. It gives you extra space when you need it and disappears when you don't.